Hey there, I'm Darcy, and welcome to Screencasts Online. In today's show, we're covering a handy app called Dropzone, which lives in the menu bar and provides quick access to individual files, folders, apps, and actions, such as converting photos or moving and renaming files. Dropzone can be purchased from the Mac App Store or the developer website, and is also included in a setup subscription if you have one. So let's jump right in. Dropzone can be accessed in the menu bar by clicking on this icon with a downward arrow. We'll explore each of the rows you see here, but first let me give a demonstration of what Dropzone really does. I have this photo in Finder that I want to do something with. When I click and drag it, Dropzone activates in the top right corner from the menu bar. I'll drag this file into Dropzone, and that opens up the main window. I'll hover over this icon that says Dropbar and release the photo. The window disappears and it may seem like we've done nothing, but I've actually placed it up there for access later. I'll minimize the Finder window, then head back up to Dropzone. The photo's sitting there in the drop bar, and if I select it, instead of going through Finder, it opens the file directly. This can also be done with groups of files. Back in Finder, where I'll highlight 3 documents, then drag them up to Dropzone. Once they're placed in the drop bar, and you re-enter Dropzone, you'll see that they're listed as 3 items. This is called a stack. Clicking the stack opens all 3 documents at the same time. You can also drag folders up there. I'll try with this one called Documents. Unlike files, which can be added to the drop bar, folders can only be added to the grid, which is the icon to the left. See that folder, Documents, now appears on the second line, called Folders and Apps. Let me exit Finder, then reopen Dropzone. As I do, there are individual letters over a lot of the icons. These are shortcuts to open whatever is behind it. Our Documents folder has the letter O above it. So if I press O, instantly the Documents folder is opened.
That's just a quick preview of one of this week's Apple-related tutorials from Screencasts Online. Screencasts Online is your premium source of Apple-related video tutorials. All of our members get access to brand new, up-to-date tutorials each week, as well as unlimited access to our entire video archive full of Mac and iOS-related tutorials. You can stream and download all of our videos on your Mac, iPad and iPhone, and even your Apple TV using the members-only Screencasts Online Apple TV app. Membership also includes a complimentary subscription to the digital Screencasts Online monthly magazine, published each month and packed with videos, articles, reviews, as well as hints and tips covering all aspects of the Mac, iPad, iPhone, and all of the other fantastic Apple products. So, if you're ready to start getting the most out of your Apple devices, visit screencastsonline.com today and become a Screencasts Online member.